Well, howdy tubes. How's it hanging? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today? Well, we got a known Amazon package in the mail today. We're going to be unboxing it to figure out what we have in this shipping box. Basically, it has to do with some cases, basically for my camera equipment and my tripod and stuff like that. And we're going to take a look at what is inside of this. Let's go have some frickin' fun and open the package. Should we do that now? Let's have some awesome frickin' fun. Well, it's something in this wonderful Amazon package right here. We're going to be cracking it open with my big giant knife, basically. Let's get cracking, should I say. I love this type of tape to use. It's kind of cute. Alright, before I show you what's inside of it, let's just open it. Look like yeah, more ew pockets. There's a tripod style carrying case. I'm gonna take a look at that as well. And we got this one down below. If I can get the box out of this box here. There you go. There. Right then. Switch. Been ordering a lot of stuff from Amazon lately. Kinda cool. Open this one. Let's take a look at this one right here. Look how interesting this bag is. Basically, it has like little snaps on it. Well, that's kinda cool. And basically, this is actual for a tripod. That's not too bad. That looks pretty kind of cool, and that's going to work fine for one of my old tripods laying around, basically. And let's crack this bad boy open. Still gonna need my knife here. Sheesh, what a big giant box. And of course, we use regular packing tape. Oops. Just trying not to damage what's inside the actual package. You guys see? This is to do something for you guys. And my case is a hardback shell case, should I say. Well, that's nice. Kinda cool. So you're gonna say, Chris, you can go down to your local Best Buy and you could have picked up a tripod bag and a case. Well, that's true, but I got these off of Amazon. They're a lot cheaper and stuff like that. This here was about $7, and this was about $30 for this case. Not too bad, basically. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Oh wow, that's kind of nice. Of course, I guess we have some type of divider cardboard here. Strap. Some foam. And then well packed. And basically what this case is going to be for is I'm going to be using it for my camera. Well, basically, I just hope that this case is big enough for everything I have. I don't know yet. It's kind of very interesting. We're gonna have to find that out and figure out how everything fits inside of this wonderful case. And of course, this carry-on style travel bag for a tripod. Sweet. I know. Some of you are gonna say, Chris, you could have just went down to Best Buy and picked up those type of cases. But here's the thing, okay? Here's my very old tripod back in the day when I used to do a lot of my filming on. Basically, this was my camera tripod. Again, it didn't come with a bag because I bought this used a long time ago. Basically. And basically this is what the bag is for. Nothing but a tripod. And we're gonna see how well the tripod fits in this bag. Alright then. Seems to fit perfectly fine, and then I say so I have to do a little bit of figuring. And there you go. There's my tripod. And it's going in a new bag. Awesome. And of course, here's the case for the camera. And we're going to try it out and see if everything will fit inside this case. I hope it does. But if not, I don't know what else to do. But that's okay. But alright, so you guys and girls are for joining this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. To all my fans out though.